Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab is probably the best option to teach listening and to practice listening. What we have to do first is Google it, click on it, and explore it. Now here I am. I can find different learning activities. I go to this section right here, and I have the easy level, intermediate level, the difficult level. So it's really up to you. Let's go to an intermediate one. Once you select the level for your teaching or your practicing of English, you have to select the topic. I'm gonna take bus trip, for example. Once I click on it, I can see a complete lesson on this listening. I have a pre-listening exercise. Here I have some idioms to practice. Then I have the listening itself, a comprehension test on the bottom section, vocabulary practice, post-listening exercise, online investigation, and basically that. To be honest, this free tool is quite complete. As you can see, all of these are for intermediate listening. Want to check out the easy ones? Here we go. These are the easy listenings. Now, I want to check out the difficult ones. Here we go. As teachers, we sometimes struggle to find the perfect listening, and this is probably it, because listenings here are quite natural. For example, let's click on one.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. Is this Mr. Charles Phillips?
Yes, it is.
Well, Mr. Phillips, this evening I'm calling to offer you a special discount.
No, let me guess. You want to offer me a subscription to the newspaper or a great deal on airfare to Hawaii, right?
Well...
Or you want to offer me an unbelievable bargain on flamenco dance lessons?
No, actually, Mr. Jones.
Huh?
Oh, sorry. That was the last guy.
Now, to be honest, I would have hung up the phone. But this is a good option to practice your listening. Once again, remember the name. It's ESL Cyber Listening Lab. No, it's Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab. I'm just testing your listening.